So hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial whereby we want to look at how we can calculate all the angles in this given figure. So we are given the sides of the triangle and we are going to calculate all the angles. So we are going to start with the angle A. We want to calculate angle A, angle B, and we want to calculate angle C. In this case, our A, small a, is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Our B is equal to 4.2 centimeter, and our C is equal to the opposite, is equal to 3.8 centimeter. So we are going to apply we are going to make use of the cos rule, which states the following. The cos rule tells us that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a. So 2bc cos of a is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared. We want cos of a, which will be equal to cos of a will be equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared. Then we divide by 2bc. We divide by 2bc. Now, cos of angle A, we take cos inverse both sides to be left with A is equal to cos inverse of everything here of b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. Then you substitute here. So cos inverse of our b, it is 4.2 squared plus our c, which is 3.8 squared minus 5.5 squared divided by 2 times 4.2 times 3.8. So you can use your calculator to simplify those values there to get. Now, simplifying the denominator will give you that 1.92, and the numerator will give you 1.83. All these are equal to 2 decimal places. So angle A is equal to cos inverse of this value. Now, using your calculator, you can get cos inverse of whatever is here, and the result will give you 86.72 degrees. Now, the next case, it is whereby now you want to see to get angle B. So similarly, just like we have done here, angle B will be found by cos inverse of a squared plus b squared minus, this is c, plus c squared, a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac, product of 2ac. So we substitute our values. Cos inverse of our a is 5.5, squared times our C is 3.8 squared minus our B is 4.2. 4.2 squared. You square this, then you divide by 2 multiplying by 5.5, which is our A, multiplying by our C, which is 3.8. 3.8. You can make use of your calculator to simplify. You can simplify the numerator and the denominator at that time. So simplify the numerator will give us 27.02 equal to 2 decimal places, and the denominator will give us 41.8. Now, then using the calculator, you can get the cos inverse of this value here, which will give you 49.6. 49.68 equal to 2 decimal place degrees. So similarly, the angle at C will be given by cos inverse of B squared plus A squared minus C squared divided by 2 multiplying by A multiplying by B, everything into bracket. This is equal to, we substitute, so angle C is equal to cos inverse of our B is 4.2 squared plus our A is 5.5 squared minus our C is 3.8 squared divided by 2 multiplying by B or A multiplying by 5.5 multiplying by B, which is 4.2. 4.2. So you simplify the numerator and the denominator. So using the calculator, you can simplify the numerator to get that 3.5.45 divided by 46.2. Again, using your calculator, you can get the cos inverse of the result of this to obtain. So from your calculator, the result here will give you 43.61 degrees. So that is how you apply the cosine rule to obtain the angles when you are given a triangle with 3 sides. So when you are given a triangle with 3 sides, that is how you apply the cos rule to get your angles. So you have found angle at A to be equal to 86.72 degrees. Angle at B, we have found it to be angle here. We have found it to be 49.68 degrees, and the angle at C, we have found it to be 43.61 degrees. So when you add all these angles, they will give you 180 degrees, because the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. On the application of sine rule, you can check in my YouTube channel on how to make use of sine rule to obtain the unknown sines when you are given the angles and the corresponding sines. Bye bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing so that you don't miss a single video which I upload every day.